Brittany. Sorry I haven't been here for a while. I haven't made a video and I do apologize for that, but every now and then something happens in our lives that catches us off guard and knocks us off course, and so we need to take a step back and reevaluate, and so that's what I've been doing. Something happened in my personal life very recently, and I'm not going to go into too much detail about that here on the internet. But something happened in my personal life recently, that has really, like I said, it caught me off guard and it made me really need to reevaluate some things in my life. And so some really, really big changes are going to be coming up here in my life. And what happened was sort of a wake-up call for me, and it made me realize just how out of control I have allowed my life to become in so many different aspects. And so I've really just been taking the time to figure out what needs to change and trying to put plans in place and trying to just really look at my life and evaluate it and see where I'm at and where I think I've gone wrong. And so the biggest change that will be coming up is we are looking to move to Texas. And this is something that I'm really, really excited about. The situation surrounding it isn't necessarily the best situation, but I do believe that things happen for a reason, and I think we will be very happy in Texas. My brother and sister live in Texas. I live in Illinois. I was born and raised in Illinois my whole life, but they both moved to Texas, and I really need that support system, and I think it will be great for me and my daughter. My husband's going too, but I think it'll be really beneficial for me and my daughter to be able to grow up, for my daughter to be able to grow up by her aunts and uncles and cousins, and for me to be by my sister and my brother. And so it is going to be a major, major change and adjustment. I'm not sure exactly when this is happening. We're just in the very beginning stages. So yeah, things are about to start changing here, and I am really excited about them, and I hope it's a fresh start and things in our lives start to improve and get better. So that is the main thing going on right now. We are looking into my husband transferring, and so right now we really have no idea when it's going to happen. Hopefully sometime in the next year here. It's going to be a really long process, but it is something I'm really, really excited about and looking forward to. And while I was thinking about ways I could get my life back under control and thinking about what needs to change and where I've fallen off and things like that, it really made me start to evaluate not only my home life and my family's life, but also my personal life. And I know I've been slipping and I could be doing so much better, and a lot has to change with me personally as well. Before I started this channel, I quit smoking completely. I've smoked for about 10 years, which is terrible and so embarrassing, but I quit smoking. I was quit for 6 or 7 months, and then I got back on the smoking bandwagon, and recently, the last couple months, I've been smoking more than I ever really have, and so that's something that I really want to change. I need to get healthier. I know I'll feel better. I know it'll be a hard situation. I've quit before, like I said. I know it'll be difficult, but I really do need the change. I need to start feeling better and taking better care of myself. So Friday the 12th is the day that I'm planning to be my quit day, and I can keep you guys up to date on the progress and things like that. If you're interested at all, just let me know down below. And also, I really need to get back into doing yoga and eating healthier and my exercise. I've really just let things get so out of control in my life, and I really have not been treating myself well. I have not been taking care of myself, and I know that in order to take care of my family, I need to take care of myself, and I need to be healthier and my best self. And so I've just really been down in this rut lately where I have kind of let things, pretty much everything, just slip away, and I'm just making bad decisions and poor choices, and what happened last week has caused me to realize how much needs to change in my life, and so I really am ready to start making some of these changes. Like I said, I'm going to try to stop smoking on Friday and start doing yoga again, because I know how good I feel when I'm doing yoga, and the moving to Texas process is going to be a long, long ongoing process, and so if you guys want to be kept up to date on that as well, just let me know and I will do that. We need to start organizing and getting rid of stuff and making plans to hopefully move sometime in the next year. So I thank you guys so much for all the support that I've received on this channel so far. I know you guys will continue to support me, and I just, I hope you guys stick with me because this next year is going to be full of changes. A lot of them will be good, but change is difficult, and so I really hope that I have your guys' support and that you stick with me and that I can really do what I've been setting out to do when I have not achieved. I really need to get healthier and happier, and so much in my life can be better, and I know it will be better if I just keep working towards it. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know where I've been and everything that's going on. And yeah, this was a wake-up call and things need to change, and I am ready for it. I'm ready to take control of my life back and make things better. So I hope you guys are with me. If you have any questions or comments or anything, just leave them down below. I love hearing from you guys. And as always, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love to have you as part of my life journey, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.